In our next story, NASA has tapped Marble Falls ISD educators to aim for the stars with a unique experiment for the space program. Daniel Clifton has the story.
In Randy Guffey's physics class, his students have high hopes for his trip he'll be taking in the summer.
I would like to go myself one day, but it might not happen, and so I think he should bring back everything about his experience.
Guffey, who also coordinates the aeroscience program for Marble Falls High School, is one of 4 local educators who will be going to Johnson Space Center in Houston in June and July for a test flight on the microgravity aircraft.
We'll calculate how much oxygen has to be diffusing into the water at 1G here in Marble Falls, and then we'll check again in Houston. And then, can we maintain that same level at 0 Gs, the microgravity? So that's basically what we're testing.
The aircraft simulates weightlessness. Guffey and the other Marble Falls teachers are one of 14 groups who were selected to participate. Even though his class won't be there, Guffey's students will play a role in the experiment.
Then when we come back, they can not only have a part in analyzing the data, but in learning the concepts involved, and that's going to be true at not only my students, but the other high school students in Mr. Smith's class, and then at the 7th grade level, Sasha Chestnut and Debbie Phillips at the 3rd grade level. So we're all going to involve our students.
I'm also in his aeroscience class, and so I've learned a lot about rocketry, and to me it's very interesting that this school is picked to be able to be in that program and be part of that, and so it's pretty exciting.
The aeroscience teacher believes sharing such an experience could help prepare his students for the future.
The more inquisitive they are and the better prepared they are, the more fun they're going to have, the more valuable they're going to be to an employer.
We're all a kid inside, okay? We're always learning, and the more he learns, the more he can teach us. So, by going up there and experiencing things that you can't experience on Earth, he'll get the opportunity to learn things that no one else can. And, by doing that, he'll be able to share it with all of his students.
Guffey's very familiar with hands-on activities. His students have built and launched rockets during the school year as well as during summer camps. Participating in a zero-gravity experiment on the so-called weightless wonder is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Guffey hopes that other educators will have the chance for years to come.
We are very honored that we were chosen. I don't think we ever had any doubt that we couldn't measure up to any teams from big cities or any of the other states. And so it is a real honor. It's an experience that this year only 13 other teams will have, and hopefully NASA will continue the program and give other educators that opportunity.
Mr. Guffey's the bomb.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Reporting for the Picayune TV, I'm Daniel Clifton.
The other local educators participating in Guffey's group are Sasha Chestnut of Marble Falls Middle School. She's a science teacher there. David Smith with the Career and Technology program at the high school, and Debbie Phillips, a science teacher at Marble Falls Elementary School.